It's Heidi with H2 Home Designs, and I am here for part number 2 of the Reclaim It Challenge. Many of you have been following the challenge at hashtag Reclaim It Challenge, where my friend Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsley sent me a found item, something that she came across that was old, maybe worn, had seen better days and needed some new life, and she challenged me to create some kind of home decor item with it. And then I went ahead and did the same for her. I went out to some of my favorite thrift stores and I came up with a piece that I thought was fun, a little bit quirky, and sent it to her. And currently she's working on putting together a piece of home decor with that item as well. But today is the exciting day. Today's the day that I'm going to actually reveal to you and to Margie what I put together with the found item that she sent to me.
Now, the item I got to work with was an old piano roll that Margie sent me from 1942. And a piano roll is essentially a storage medium that was used to operate a player piano. It's a continuous roll of paper with perforations punched in it, and the roll moves over a reader, or what's called a tracker bar, in the player piano, and that triggers a musical note when the perforation crosses a bar. This particular piano roll that Margie sent to me plays the song Cow Cow Boogie, and in this age of the whole farmhouse era, I just love that. I knew right away what I wanted to do with this item, but making it work was another issue. So if you're ready, here it comes. So from this piano roll, I designed and created a drum lamp shade that I made into a swag lamp, and I just love it. It was really important to me that the details and the purpose of this old piano roll were reflected in the design that I created. You can see here that I used the perforations in the piano roll to help create that light that pulls through the shade. And then I wanted to preserve all the words that you see there in blue. Those are the words that actually showed up in the small window of the piano so that an onlooker could actually sing along with the song when it was playing. I made sure I kept the label and any markings that identified this particular song roll and added them to the shade. And then I used the wording again to create sort of a border on the bottom and the top of the lampshade to give it a little more character. And then I finished off the lamp by adding one of the little knobs that comes off the end of the roll onto the bottom of the lampshade. I really love the way this turned out. It's vintage, it's farmhouse, it's mid-mod, it's just beautiful, and it can fit into almost any decor because it's subtle and the lighting is just so soft and beautiful. So kudos to Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsley for sending me this wonderful and historical piece. I love the process of pulling this together and the creative energy that it took. To catch all of our creative fun, follow hashtag Reclaim It Challenge on Facebook and make sure you like H2 Home Designs on Facebook too. I'd love to see you there. If you'd like to know more about how I put together this project, go ahead and put a note in the comments and I would be happy to put together a how-to video for you. Thanks so much for watching, and if it's up to you, be the reason that someone smiles today. Take care.